hidden cameras in Airbnbs.
If everyone knew what was happening, they would not be using their website.
It's devastating. It's a travesty.
Oh my goodness, is this a hidden camera?
Every single room in the house had cameras.
Oh, wow.
35,000 customer support tickets about security cameras or recording devices had been documented over a decade.
They had intimate footage of my wife and I.
They had sex?
Yeah.
And you recorded that?
I took some screenshots.
So yeah, you've watched that video. It's very, very upsetting. Like there are some hosts who put cameras in their Airbnb properties. As a superhost, Airbnb superhost myself, that's unacceptable. And we don't put cameras in our properties, inside the properties. You know, I know a lot of people, so we based in the UK, and I know a lot of hosts in the UK. No one does that. I mean, those people who actually do that, like it's very, very upsetting because it gives a bad name to the industry. It paints the industry very bad, but we don't do that. And all the people I know are good hosts there. So like if CNN is publishing things like this, it's harming to the Airbnb industry, to people who like work hard to put their properties there. But yes, it does happen in a very, very like small percentage, like exceptional percentage, as Airbnb spokesperson illustrated. Like these incidents do happen. Like anywhere else, there are a very few bad apples, you know. So in our properties, the best cameras which you put are outside the property. And obviously as a host, you also want to protect your investment. You also want to protect your property. So the only one and only camera which we have, it's a Ring doorbell, which is this one. So this one, you'll find it by the door of the entrance of the property, and you can scan through any room in the property with whatever these devices, these anti-camera detectors which are sold on eBay, Temu. You can use them to scan an Airbnb property which you go into. You will never find anything inside our properties. So the only thing you'll find is this Ring door. So why do we put a Ring door with the camera inside the property? There's various reasons. So number one is for the safety of a guest. So if you've got a Ring door outside your house, you know, you want to see who's coming in and who's going out the property, you know. So that's number one. Like, not that we be monitoring this like a CCTV. We only like watch this when there's a emergency or when there's an alert, you know. You just want to see the camera, who's actually gone in and who's actually left, you know, because there are some guests which are notorious as well. They'll book for 2 people, but you see 20 people going inside the house. So that's why you need to have this camera to say, oh, look, you didn't book for 20 people, you've only booked for 2 people. So why is 20 people going inside? So if we didn't have this outside, we wouldn't be able to see this, you know. So it's like this is needed to also for us, Airbnb superhosts, to protect ourselves in these incidents which happen. And also this can actually record like the things which are happening in the front of the house, in your front porch, whatever, where the door is facing. So it's not like it's recording inside or you're seeing what business is happening, people's privacy. No, we don't invade people's privacy, for God's sake, man. Like, I wouldn't want my privacy to be invaded if I'm staying in an Airbnb. These hosts which do this, they do give a bad name to the industry, but it's a very, very like low percentage of them. I mean, like Airbnb has been there for a very long time, and they always fight these cases, you know. And like they said, if any host is seen or known to be violating their policies, they'll simply kick them out, you know, because it's so messed up if you're not recording people inside their houses. But like, if you're starting off in this business, and I would advise you to have a Ring door at least outside your door, because you can see who's coming in your property, who's not violating like your guest rules, etc. Because you can see how many people have gone in the property. So if someone is booked for 4 people and 4 people go in the property, then that's fine. But obviously it's not fine if someone books for 4 people and 50 people go in the property. There's a lot of red flags there. See that they're gonna have a party. Obviously that means the guest is not honest, you know. It's like it's a dishonest guest from the best proceedings, because if you book for 4 people and you bring 50 people in, that sends red flags to us Airbnb operators. So yeah, and other people do have CCTV outside looking in the front of the yard or in their back garden. So with the Airbnb policy as well, as a host, we need to declare that. So before you book, you will see, okay, this property has got CCTV outside the house, but you can't put CCTV inside or any recording devices inside the Airbnb and Airbnb property. Airbnb will delist you, Airbnb will ban you. So for those who like travel and book through Airbnb, rest assured, yes, these incidents do happen, but it's like anything in life. It's like there's always bad apples. So if it's like, as a percentage, it's the 0.1% chance of you finding a camera inside an Airbnb. But if you're very skeptical, if you're very worried, there are devices which you can buy on eBay, Temu, which cost like £5 or $5, you know, which you can actually, when you walk in an Airbnb. And by the way, this could be a hotel room as well. So don't forget, hotels are operated by people. Hotels are not operated by robots. So there are predators out there. There are sick people in the head, people with no remorse, people with no half a brain cell in their head will do these things. So you can actually scan. I don't do that myself, but you could actually scan like a property to see if there's any hidden cameras or anything like that. But at the end of the day, people do travel, and that's why you should book your property with trusted Airbnb operators like ourselves and my other friends in the industry who are actually doing a good job and actually upholding this Airbnb name. But for those who are interested in actually starting their Airbnb business, you can book a call with me. There is a link in the description, and I'll be helping you set up your Airbnb business the correct way, so you don't make mistakes of putting hidden cameras inside people's houses. You will be doing like this the correct way, and you will be compliant with the rules and regulations of the country or jurisdiction which you stay, which you live in, and which you're operating in. So you won't be one of those sick people who put hidden cameras. You'll be doing everything right, and you'll be doing this business to the T. Book your call with me. Let's have a chat. It's free of charge. Thank you, my friend. Bye for now. See you on the next video.